Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to East Tawas, a charming small town located on the shores of Lake Huron in Michigan. This community is known for its beaches, marinas, and scenic waterfront, making it a popular destination for boating and fishing. The history of East Tawas dates back to the 1860s, when settlers arrived and began developing homes and businesses along the bay. Over the years, East Tawas became a hub for summer tourism, attracting visitors looking to enjoy the lake, parks, and local events. The area's natural beauty, including sandy beaches and forested trails, has always been a key part of its appeal. Today, East Tawas retains its small-town charm while welcoming travelers seeking relaxation and outdoor recreation. Whether you're here to fish, boat, or simply soak up the lakefront scenery, East Tawas offers a welcoming Michigan getaway. Thank you for joining us on this tour of East Tawas, Michigan. Thanks for watching!